Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to do this basic everyday look for you guys. So let's get started. First up, I'm going to use this hyaluronic acid serum on my skin. It's because I want to get that hydration to my skin so that it doesn't feel dry or patchy and just gives you a nice glow to your face. Using this sunscreen from Neutregna to protect my skin, although it's like 4 or 5 in the evening and but still there's sun and I need to protect my skin from the sun. Now using this eyebrow pencil to fill in my brows. It just looks perfect when your brows are done nicely. Just defines your face very beautifully. Also using the same eyebrow pencil, I'm going to make a wing eyeliner because I just don't want it to go for a dramatic look with black eyeliners. So I just thought of using this eyebrow pencil as a liner and I just tried to smudge it near the corner of my eyes and try to make a wing, and it looks good, right? Just looks perfect. Now using this mascara, okay, so I just love using mascara because it just opens up your eyes, makes them look so beautiful, and I just kind of hurt myself there, but that's fine. Okay, now I'm using this Just Herbs lipstick. It's not as like a transfer proof or matte lipstick. It's quite creamy, but I like this formula for every day when you just don't want too much of lipstick, like matte lipstick on your lips that keeps your lips drying. So it's nice and creamy, and I am using this as a blush also because I just can't step out of my house without a blush, and when I like it when it matches your lip shade. So I like the shade of this lipstick, so I used it as a blush also, and you can just see how this just makes me feel so healthy looking skin, just glows so beautiful. I'm completing the look with these golden hoops that I got from Shein. I like it's lightweight and doesn't hurt my ears, and I can wear them very easily for as long as I want to. And completing the look, I have this sugar cream. It's basically kind of a strobe cream. So I'm using it at the high points of my face to just get that sheen look when I'm out in the sun. I just like how it gives you that shiny finish. You can see it in there in the camera also. So I'm just using it to complete this look, and it's done. Okay, I don't generally like wearing foundations or concealers every day, so I go like this out, and if there's pigmentation, I let it be because that just makes me feel natural. If you like the video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.